The next product. The Bath and Body Works. Half shower gel, 10 ounces. Okay. Same. 10 ounces. Shower gel? Yeah. Shower gel. Same product, right? What's the same?
So Louis, I always get confused on these, like buy three, get one free. So you would just divide, you pretend you had four and then divide it.
Yeah. So
it's 13.50 per bottle,
right.
but you're buying, so just do four.
So buy three, get one, right? So you would buy three. So it's 13.50, right?
Yeah.
Divided by
There.
wait, it's 13.50. Wait a second.
It'll be 13.50 times 3
3 plus the
divided by 4.
Right.
Comes
3
out to like $10.13.
right there. Thanks, Brandy. You got it, Leslie? So 13.50 times 3, right?
Yeah.
With the tax, obviously.
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4. So your cost would be $10.12. They plug it here. Wait, the 2-pack though. Right? So 2-pack. So
how do you figure that out? So you divide it by 4. That's
You could just divide it by 2 since it's a 2-pack, and then it would tell you after you multiplied it by 3. 13.50 times 3 divided by 2.
right.
hold on.
Yeah, so one piece is $10.12. And a two piece is 20.25, right? Yeah, 20.25. So if you run the numbers, it's still negative. Negative ROI. So skip, right? Skip negative ROI. Next.
Hey, Louis, the list that you have, where's that from?
Just like a sample for my VAs. Sample list.
Gotcha.
Okay, next product. Let's see. What is that? Okay. So it's the same product. Cinnamon and spice. Quaker oatmeal. Cinnamon spice. 10 count. Okay. So this one's a 10 count. And then this one is a pack of 20, right? So let's see. They're the same. Hold on. Packaging is different, so let me see. Is it the same product, guys? The packaging is different, so
it's the same product. I was looking at the ounces though. That's what I was trying to look for. Oh, there it is, 1.5.
But wouldn't they be different because one is a pack of 10 and one is a pack of 20?
yeah. So we just have to buy two, like 2 orders of these.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I get it. I had it reversed in my head.
I think it's the same, right? So it looks like it's the same product, different packaging. So this one is $4.39, right? $4.39. But this one is a 10 count, and this one is a 20 count. So we're buying 2 of these. You guys get it? So 4.39 times 2. So the cost is 8.78. You guys got it?
Yep.
8.78. So ROI is about 19%. Sales per month is 207, which is good, right? And then if you scroll to the bottom, so this one has 207 sales a month shared by these 3 sellers with this much inventory. Would you guys do it?
I would.
I would do it because
Yes,
it's
right?
gonna move a lot faster, even though your return isn't exactly
Yeah.
what you want it to be.
I'd do in a heartbeat.
I just
Yeah,
checked
sounds good.
out. If you're gated in gourmet grocery, then you wouldn't be able to buy this or sell this item. So that's kind of been like an obstacle for me. I think I need to go through Frontier Co-op,
Mhm.
but that's one of the obstacles that you might want to just check before you buy it.
Well, yeah.
Yes,
Why
for
does it say it's
sellers, correct?
restricted? Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one I'm not allowed to sell. So the guy see
Where
this,
did you-
right?
where did you go to
Eligible
see that?
now. Huh?
Where'd you go? What did you click on to see if you was gated?
Yeah, so here it's gonna say eligible no if you're not gated.
Okay.
So for you to check, so go here, right? Eligibility,
Okay.
and then click on manual and gate,
Okay.
and then it's gonna what happened there? And then it's gonna say request approval.
Then it's gonna kick it
I'll
out.
click on it. If it takes you to this page, it means you need an invoice. But if you're approved, it's gonna say you're approved to sell this brand.
Okay.
Got it?
That invoice we can get from Frontier Co-op?
For groceries,
Yeah.
yeah, there's a spreadsheet in it in our group, Facebook group. If you guys want to do that, you can. Yeah, but I think you should be good, bro. Chad? Was that Chad?
Yeah, that's me. I was just making sure. I was just making sure.
Oh yeah. So Frontier Co-op is the name of the company.
That's who I used to get ungated in grocery and Burt's Bees and topicals.
There you go.
So we can use Frontier Co-op? Because I did got a membership with them.
Yeah.
Mm, Nice,
Yeah,
yeah.
with Frontier. Yeah.
So just to be clear, just to what I was meaning by what I was saying is that Frontier Co-op, it ungates you in gourmet grocery only. For Quaker itself, you have to double check on Frontier Co-op to see if they even sell Quaker, because
they don't sell.
certain companies, the way that they give you invoices and receipts, for some reason Amazon doesn't, they don't accept them. And Frontier Co-op just happens to be one of those companies that Amazon is receptive of their invoices.
They don't or they do?
They do. Yeah, Frontier Co-op. They do, right?
Yeah, they accept Frontier Co-op, but they
Yeah.
just don't sell Quaker. So if you have to get ungated in a specific brand,
There you
you have
go.
to make sure it's on there, or you're gonna have to find somewhere else to get it.
Yeah, Quaker is a bigger brand, so we need to, yeah.
Because right now I'm kind of stuck with like 10 packages of coffee because I can't find where to get ungated in it. So it's kind of, just wanted to pass that along.
Right. Yeah. All right. So this one's a buy, right? So good?
Yes.
Agree?
If you can get ungated.
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
get engaged.
I agree.
Need to be gated with Quaker.
If you do get ungated, buy 100 of them. Serious.
Yeah, I agree.